Hello student, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss some more construction about few angles. In the last videos we have discussed the construction of angle of 90 degree as well as 45 degree. Today we shall discuss to construct the angle of 60 degree, 30 degree, 120 degree and so on. So I hope that you would like this video too much. Okay? So student, let's start from a question. Construction of construction of an angle construction of an angle of 60 degree. Construction of an angle of 60 degree. Okay student, so for this we need compass and ruler. So here just add in the question by ruler and compass. By ruler and compass. Construction of an angle of 60 degree by using ruler and compass. Okay, so now let us start. So first of all, take a ray OA. So first of all, take a ray OA. Any ray OA. Now the next, take your compass and with O as center and any convenient radius, draw an arc cutting OA at the point C. So here, draw an arc on OA cut at the point C. Okay student? In the next, with the center, with C as a center and the same radius, draw an arc cutting the first arc at the point B. So with C as center and with the same distance, draw an arc which cut the first arc at the point B. So give the name of this point B. Now join the point B to the point O. Join the point B to the point O. Okay. Therefore, the angle that we get is A angle AOC is equal to 60 degree. AOB. AOB is an angle of 60 degree. Okay students, I hope that it is clear to everyone. Now let us see the construction once again. In order to construct an angle of 60 degree using ruler and compass, in the first step, take any ray OA Okay. In the second stage, with the point O as a center with any convenient radius, draw an arc from the point C which cut the ray OA. In the next step, with C as a center and the same radius, cut off an arc to the original arc at the point B. And after this, join the point B to the point O, and hence we get AOC is equal to 60 degree. Okay, so in this way we can draw an angle of 60 degree. Okay students, I hope that the construction of angle of 60 degree using ruler and compass is clear to everyone. Now let us see the next, that is the construction of angle of 30 degree, or in the other word we can say that construction of bisector of angle of 60 degree. So let's see the next topic. Construction of an angle or angle of 30 degree by ruler and compass. Okay, or the next question may be construct a bisector, construct a bisector of an angle of 60 degree using ruler and compass. Using ruler and compass. So both questions are same. Just here we can see that in the first question it has been said that draw an angle of 30 degree using ruler and compass, or construct a bisector of an angle of 60 degree using ruler and compass. Okay, so both have the same sense. So let's start. So first of all, construct an angle of 60 degree, and in order to construct an angle of 60 degree, first of all we shall draw an angle of 60 degree. So take a ray OA, okay, and O as a center, and with any convenient radius, draw an arc from the point O which cut the ray AO on the point C like this. Okay, and give the name the point where cut OA is C. Okay, in the next step, O take C as a center and the same radius, draw another arc which cut the first arc. Okay. Now join this point to the point O. This is the angle of 60 degree. Okay, this is an angle of 60 degree. Now, in order to find out the angle of 30 degree or the bisector of the angle 60 degree, we can give the name it as D, and just see here D as a center and any convenient radius. Draw an arc here. Okay. In the next step, C as a center with the same radius, cut off another arc to this. Okay. Give the name this point as E. Now join the point E to the point O. Okay. So therefore, angle, this is also 30 degree and 30 degree. So therefore, angle AOE is equal to angle EOB equal to 30 degree. Okay, angle AOE is equal to 30 degree and angle EOB is equal to 30 degree. So we can write angle AOE equal to angle EOB is equal to 30 degree. So student, I hope that the construction of angle of 30 degree is clear to all of you. Now let us see the next, the construction of angle of 120 degrees. Construction of an angle of 120 degree by ruler and compass. By using ruler and compass. Construction of an angle of 120 degree using ruler and compass. Okay, so now let's start. For this, take any ray OA. Take any ray OA. In the next step, with O draw an arc which cut the ray OA at the point C. Okay, so this is an arc which drawn from O as a center, cut the ray OA at the point C. Now, with C as a center and same radius, draw an arc which is cutting the first arc at the point B. This is the point B. Okay. Now, with B as a center and the same radius, cut off another arc, cutting the first arc at the point D. So that this is the point D. Okay. Now join the point D to the point O. Now join the point D to the point O. This shows that angle AOD is equal to 120 degree. Okay. So student, I hope that this construction is clear. Now let us see the construction once again, how we construct this. In order to construct an angle of 120 degree, in the first stage, we would take a ray OA. So here OA be the any ray. In the next stage, from the O as a center and any convenient radius, you can take any radius as you wish. Draw an arc which cut the ray OA to the point C. So from the center O, you can draw another ray which cut the point C. Now from C as a center and the same radius, draw another arc which cut the first arc at the point D, and now repeat the same process, that is B as a center and the same radius, draw another arc which cut the first arc at the point D. Now join the point D to the point O, which give us required 120 degree angle. So student, I hope that you understood everything whatever I taught you today. If you have any confusion, then leave a message in the comment box. I will clear in the next class. So we shall meet in the next video with new question. Till then, goodbye.